Hello everybody, this is Zach from New Graphics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our smoke bomb overlays for Photoshop. Smoke bomb overlays are a fun little way to add some atmosphere to your photos, or just for creative design projects such as gender reveals, or even great for wedding shoots, wedding photography. So let's go ahead and get started. So once you open your smoke bomb overlays folder, you're going to see a JPEG folder, a PNG folder, and you're going to see some instructions. So we're going to show you the JPEG overlays first. So as you can see, there's 25 JPEG overlays, and they're in various styles and different colors. So I'll just show you a quick run through. If you need to pause the video, feel free to do so. So there's all 25. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this first smoke bomb here to show you some example. Now the JPEG is useful more so for dark photos, but I'm gonna show you how it looks on a bright photo. So first thing you do is you drag and drop it in, and then you're gonna resize it to the size that you want. To get rid of the background, you're gonna come over here where it says normal on the right hand side of your screen, and you're going to want to select screen. Screen will get rid of the background and only leave the smoke. This makes JPEG much better quality wise, but I'll show you PNG later. So this is how it will look more or less on a bright photo. There is some dark spot in the photo over here. As you can see, if I put the overlay right here, it looks a little bit brighter. But that's pretty much how it will look. Now if you want to use if you want your overlay to look a bit more bright, make it pop a bit more, you can use our PNG. You can use one of the PNG overlays that don't have a black background. So we'll pick the same overlay here, but the PNG version. And as you can see, it pops out a little bit more. The color for this overlay does match the background of the photo. So I will show you a different one here. Let's do this one. So as you can see, it really pops out much more than the JPEG. So I'm going to also show you how this looks, or how the JPEG looks on a dark photo. So let's go back to the JPEG folder and pick one of these overlays. Let's say let's pick this bright yellow one. So once again, you drag and drop it in, resize to how you would like it, then select the blending mode to screen, and there you have it. As you can tell, compared to the last photo, the overlay is much brighter, even though it's still the JPEG version, but that's simply because the background is dark, and so it doesn't get washed out. So if I go back to this folder, or this picture, excuse me, I'm going to show you just a couple more of our overlays here. PNG. Sorry. Let's get that PNG. Just show you another example. Some various styles. You can also change the opacity if you're using the PNG. Maybe you do want it to be a little bit less bright. Just to save you time from editing the JPEG, you can select the opacity over here and change this to whatever you would like. Obviously that's too light. Let's do something like this, 50%. You can go lower if you want, but you get the general idea. I'm going to show you one more thing here. So let's say you put this overlay on this man's face, and let's say you want to be able to see the man a bit better. What you can do is you can add a layer mask right here. Select the layer mask, and then come over here, use the brush tool. You want to set your flow to around 20% with a 100% opacity. Kind of make your brush a little bit bigger. And then you're just gonna paint over whatever you want to get rid of. In which case I'm going to get rid of the overlay on top of his face and his body. leaving only the smoke bomb overlay behind him. Obviously you can do a better job than that. That was just a quick little rough draft, but even so, it doesn't look bad. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to use our smoke bomb overlays. You can get it on our website. I'll post a link below if you're already on our website. Hopefully this has convinced you to get it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everybody.